Hello, I am Borem Kim, educator from CREATEION Korea. With Hot Pin Curl Permanent Machine, you connect the hot pins into rods. Therefore, the rod is not heating up by itself, but the hot pins deliver the heat to the rods. It minimizes hair damage, since the heat does not touch the hair directly. Also, you can wind the rod near the hair root, easily giving the hair root volume. It gives the same heat to all the hair, since every single rod is heated up. The Hot Pin Curl Permanent Machine is suitable for men's hair to women's long hairstyles. Turn on the main switch of the Hot Pin Curl Permanent Machine and press the power button on the panel. There are 5 lines, and you turn it on separately. Choose the desired line and turn it on. When you press the button again, you can control the temperature. Connect the heated hot pin with rod. Be careful when you connect the hot pin, since it is hot. Press the power button over 2 seconds to turn it off.